the lid on your creation?
I can.
There's quite some intense taste. It's close to meat.
In 2013, the first lab-grown or cultured meat burger was created. It cost a whopping $330,000 to produce. Fast forward to December 2020, and Californian firm Eat Just becomes the first to get regulatory approval in Singapore for its cultured meat.
So we start with a cell, and we can get a cell from a biopsy, a cell, and then the muscle and the fat in the body ends up growing. And then instead of having the animal's body in a warehouse growing, we grow our meat in a large stainless steel vessel, kind of like brewing beer, called a bioreactor. And the end product is what you're used to. It's real meat. It tastes like chicken because it is chicken.
Producing meat in steel vessels in warehouses dotted around towns and cities could free up vast amounts of land. It would allow countries that currently import most of their meat to simply grow it themselves. And of course, there could be more direct environmental benefits too.
With this approach, you don't need to tear down trees. It's less carbon intensive, uses less water, and significantly less land. So both from a carbon, a land, a water perspective, orders of magnitude better. You can build facilities really anywhere. These are not facilities that require tens of millions of acres. You can make it pretty close to home.
Recent studies looking at the potential environmental benefits of cultured meat yet to hit the mass market and plant-based alternatives seemingly still an acquired taste, it's clear that for now it'll take more than consumer choice. The potential benefits, the food industry as a whole is unlikely to turn green unless it's led there.
I think that sort of more relevant for policy is that arguments like that very much worried livestock producers, completely understandably. Their livelihoods depend on producing meat. So I think it's very important to think how we can transition from our current diets to diets with people that are involved in the system.
The plant-based meat industry, the level of policy engagement that the transportation sector has, the energy sector has, even the built environment sector has. If you look at the improvements that have been made in how we source.
For the time being, though, innovative businesses pushing meat alternatives may have to settle for saving the planet, one burger at a time.